Hello, this is Group 3E, and today we will be discussing our chosen product, Colgate Advanced Whitening Toothpaste, and its performance. The aim of this presentation is to provide an evaluation and comparative analysis of toothpaste performance through the use of quantitative kitchen chemistry tests. Toothpaste formulation is a complex two-phase system with a dispersed solid phase suspended in a liquid polymer network. Toothpaste performance is a complex property which is influenced by the many microstructures present and the rheological properties they induce. Performance should be considered across all stages of toothpaste use. This includes storage, dispensing, performance during brushing, rinsing, and disposal. For each stage of use, we can consider unique performance metrics. A stable toothpaste formulation with sharp and clean paste cutoff is desirable during the high shear filling of toothpaste into its laminated tube. Also, toothpaste must not dry out between manufacture, purchasing, and use.
For dispensing, toothpaste should not flow out of an uncapped tube without extrusion pressure applied, and then only minimal effort should be required by a consumer to extrude paste from the tube. A homogeneous ribbon should be formed as the paste is extruded. There should be a sharp, clean break of the ribbon, and the paste should be able to stand up and not sink into the toothbrush bristles. During brushing, paste must be dispersed quickly throughout the entire mouth. Flavor must also be released, and foaming quality should be pleasant and deliver all active ingredients. After brushing, paste should rinse quickly from the mouth and not leave any residue or gummy feelings. Spittle should also wash easily out of the sink. Using these performance measures, simple kitchen tests were derived in order to display the performance metrics of each of the chosen toothpaste brands.
The property that most influences a toothpaste dispensing ability is the yield stress. The value of yield stress is influenced by the amount of solid loadings within a paste. Below the yield stress, a high amount of hazardous silica particles create a jamming phenomenon. Without enough yield stress, toothpaste won't sit on toothbrush bristles. Compared to ketchup, another yield stress flow sinks into the toothbrush bristles due to its low yield stress. To measure and compare the yield stress, a slab test experiment was designed by using a circular mold. Then a set amount of toothpaste was measured out. The toothpaste is then mixed with 2 ml of water to simulate the wetting process of a brush before use. Final height and width allow for yield stress to be calculated, allowing a comparable performance metric. Yield stress was found to be highest in Maclean's, whereas lowest in Pepsodent. The Colgate Advanced Whitening has a sufficient high value. The effect on ribbon formation can be seen next. If yield stress is too low, then too much paste will flow from the tube when dispensed. If yield stress is too high, then the toothpaste will be difficult to squeeze out. This means that a mid-range yield stress is desired.
Clean breaking of toothpaste ribbons or extrusion is a property influenced by viscosity and thixotropy. A toothpaste viscosity is primarily influenced by choice and amount of thickening and binding agent used. Stringiness test is a practical method of measuring the adhesion cohesion properties of a paste and is directly related to viscosity. A high stringiness value indicates that a paste will not break easily, resulting in poor ribbon formation as the user finishes extruding paste from the tube. Stringiness not only affects the consumer, but also affects the production line, which operate at high speed setting. For our experiments, equal amounts of paste were placed under a steel ruler and compressed to the initial heat to allow adhesion to occur. The ruler was then raised at a constant rate until the paste was seen to break and the final heat was measured. From the result, it can be seen that Colgate displayed the shortest length of extrusion before rupturing, indicating a low stringiness value and good ribbon formation. Pepsodent Herbal displayed the longest length being 3 times larger than Colgate, indicating poor stringiness performance. Low stringiness is caused by high silica content and less polymer in the Colgate formulation.
During brushing, toothpaste foaming is an essential part of its use, with a pleasant quality foam being an important consumer experience. Good foaming also influences how quickly flavor, and active ingredients are dispersed throughout the mouth. Liquid foam is formed by small consistent bubbles, providing an increase in interface so that the active ingredients can reach all part of the teeth. Sodium lauryl sulfate is a common ionic surfactant that is present in toothpaste to provide the mechanism by which these bubbles are formed. It also assists in carrying away debris from the mouth when rinsing. To measure foaming performance, an air injection experiment was performed. 1 ml of toothpaste was mixed into a constant amount of water before 10 ml of air was injected via a bubbling stone. The height of the foam generated was measured, allowing for a comparison of foaming ability. The stability of the produced foam was also assessed over a short period of time after the test had finished. It was found that the toothpaste containing multiple surfactants produced the greatest amount of foam, with Pepsodent generating the most at 12.83 cubic centimeters. All toothpaste were found to generate stable foam after 20 seconds, indicating sufficient stability during brushing.
In summary, we have demonstrated through our performance evaluation that the network of microstructures present in toothpaste impacts the flow and performance perception of toothpaste both from a manufacturer and consumer points of view. The understanding of the complex network interactions in toothpaste microstructure and the ability to measure and quantify the different performance expectations of a good toothpaste enables manufacturers to benchmark and improve their toothpaste formulations.